morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. You guys, I have a design team haul for April that you guys are going to love. I know I love it, and it is so appropriate for things that are happening in my life right now. So I am super excited about this. You guys, I have received Simple Stories Game Night Collection. It is so cute. I just love it. So I'm going to show you what I got in my package, and then I'm going to get busy working on projects. I've been thinking of all kinds of different ideas, so I haven't quite pinpointed what I'm going to make yet, but I know it's going to be spectacular because this paper is just gorgeous. And then I have got some colors from Country Craft Creations with cardstock that coordinate with this it's just going to be gorgeous. So let's get started. I'll show you all of the things here, and then I will get busy and start working on my projects. So my package is very, very full. I just absolutely love it. Let's talk about the seam binding ribbon and twine here real quick. So I did get 2 yards each, and the seam binding I got Kelly green and then I got pink. And I just think if you look at all of these colors like with this, I mean, it's just going to be gorgeous. And then I also received some yellow jute, and that is absolutely beautiful. And then look at this, you guys, polka dotted 5/8 inch grosgrain white and black dots. Look at this. This is so cute. I think this is going to just make the collection just, I mean, if it doesn't pop already, these are going to make it pop. So I'm super excited about that. Again, I got 2 yards each. And again, I will always link these down below so you can get them. As for decorations and little embellishments to go with it, this month I received the foam stickers. So this is super cool. I am not going to take them out of the package here. I'm sorry. I hope it's not glaring at you. I tried to get my lights in a spot where it wouldn't do it, but I don't think it worked. Let's put it back over here. So cute. So cute. So cute. And look at the back side. I mean, you've got all of this stuff here. Just really, really fun. This is going to make a great album. And I love the retro. I love the retro feel with this. It's something else, I'll tell you what. And then I've got all these little bits and pieces here. So this came from the Journal Bits collection. So I have kind of sorted them out so you can see what's going on here. So I picked out a couple to show you in the very beginning here. But we've got, you know, all kinds of little journaling cards, detective notes here, just super fun labels so you can do journaling on here. And then look at these other bigger ones here. So cool. I just love this. And then there's all kinds of little bits. So we've got like little sayings that you could put on. Oh, that one went in the wrong little bin. Yes. Isn't this cute? I love this little sorting tray here that I got. I can't remember honestly where I got it. It's been a long time, but it makes it really nice to sort out my bits and bobs while I'm, you know, working on a project, and I can see what I have. Look at that. I declare bankruptcy. So cool. And then there's all these little labels here. Those are going to be fun. And then I've got little tabs, and look at that, the tabs with the card. Diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I just love it. And then you guys check this out, jacks. We've got jacks in here. How many of y'all have played with those? I used to love playing with jacks. So much fun playing that. So all of these came in the Journal Bits package. There's, I want to say, let me see if I can find the package. There's 44 pieces, so there's a lot of things to play with. Now let's look at the paper. The paper is so cute, and I've got it kind of all splayed out here because I want you to see like behind all of the different colors of cardstock too. It's all going to match, and I'm going to be able to use all of it, and I think this is going to be so much fun. So let's go through the papers here. So I have 2 of each of the papers. So this one's called Who's Keeping Score? So we have the Scrabble board here on the front, and then we have the scorecards on the back with this beautiful teal. Love that background. So the next one here is called Time's Up with all the dominoes. Isn't that fun? And then again, we've got the scorecard, but it's pink this time. So we have a lot of beautiful colors to play with, and I like the subtle design on the back. So we have our tag section. So this is the tag elements page, and I love this. So we've got lots of things. We've got lots of Monopoly type stuff here. We have cards, dice, the So Sorry game, just really cool. And then on the back of this, lots of journaling space. These things are super cool to use in albums in a variety of different ways. So I love that. We have roll the dice, all of the different dice. We have been recently learned how to do bingo, or not bingo, bunco, with some friends of ours, and it is so much fun. And so I really want to do, I'm thinking of doing like a nice album so we can kind of document some of our bunco games, and they are hysterical, you guys. We've had Halloween games where we all dressed up. We did one for Valentine's Day that was super fun. So it's gonna be a blast. So I love this game board piece here. Isn't that gorgeous? This would be a cute photo layout, wouldn't it? With all this space in between, you could put all the, oh, just super cute. So I love that page. This one's called No Cheating. Lots of stripes. And then on the back here, we have this red checked pattern here. This one is called Let's Play. All the games here. Bingo and Scrabbled and So Sorry and Oh Shoot. I love that. That's so cute. That's Life. Yep. So adorable. So all of those. And then the back has this really cute orange and pink floral. Retro, you guys. This is so retro. It's totally right up my alley. I love this. So here are journal elements. And again, we've got lots of different pieces we can cut out and use as labels. They're different sizes. I love that. That is so much fun to have different sized elements. So we've got lots more of those. Again, 2 of each. And then here's my jacks. I remember playing that when I was a kid. So much fun. This one here, It's Your Turn. All the different variety of game pieces. That's super fun. Super fun. And then the yellow pattern on the back here. Wow, there's a lot. I love this 6x6 pages. Look at the game boards. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. This is called Deal With It. Super cute. And then the back, all the cards. Yep. I love it. You guys, I hope you guys like it too. This is going to be really fun. The 4x6 elements. Oh, and look at this, twisted up. So we got some that are portraits, some are landscape. This is so fun. I love this. And the polka dotted. Got to have polka dots. Love that. This is the 3x4 element card. This collection is really cool. I am super happy with this. I think this is going to be really fun to play with. And the check background. Oh, I love that. Reminds me of an old-fashioned diner with the floor. This one is 2x2 and 4x4 elements. So we got a little bit of each in here. Love that twister right there. You guys, we've all played these games. This is going to be super fun. Super fun. Here is the cardstock sticker sheet. So I've got lots of stickers to play with. And I've got some tabs. I've got word pieces, a border strip here. Oh, look at this. Pool balls. Love it. Although I'm terrible at that game. And bowling. Not very good at that either. So let's go through the cardstock colors that I got. So these are from Country Craft Creations. So let's start here. We have this one here is called, it's number 44, Twinkle Sea Foam. So this one is called Twinkle because it does have a shimmer in there. I hope you see that. So isn't that super cute? So number 44, Twinkle Sea Foam. I got 2 of those. I'll have 2 of each of these actually. This one is number 29 and it's called Key Lime Pie. Isn't that pretty? I love that. That is so pretty. This one here is number 27 and this one's called Lemon Pie. That's absolutely gorgeous. These colors will go absolutely fantastic with this. And then I have this one here is number 17, and this is called Cherry on Top. Okay. So then I also got, let me get this out of the way here for a second. I'm going to do this mirrored card in a second. We have some new colors, and I got one sheet of each of these. So I have, this is number 52, Paris Blue, and then number 51, Poison Ivy. And I just want to show, I mean, these are going to look perfect with this as well. I think the colors are going to be fantastic with this. And then here is the cool part. So I got one sheet of each of those. And again, I'll have this all listed below. I also got a package of this paper here. And this one is the 100-pound carat cardstock. I have a whole package of this, a pack of 24. So I will be using this with the album and probably be using this for the base of my album, and then using all those other gorgeous colors for mats and things like that. So that's going to be awesome. And then last but not least, I got the Tonic Mirror card, and this is in emerald green, and there are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11. So I have so much stuff to play with. I think this is going to be absolutely fantastic. So I am going to have all of this down below in the video description. I'll have all of this linked and tell you how much I've got of all the things. And then I am going to get to work on making my projects, because I am super excited and I cannot wait to dive into this paper. So thank you so much for watching. Go check out Country Craft Creations, and I will see you soon with some fun projects. All right, take care. Bye-bye.